Hey guys, thanks to this one comment, I'm making vids again, and it's been like an year now. I don't want to yap too much, so let's get straight into the vid.
Bro, I literally picked auto and it still gave me criminal.
Oh,
Ooh, that would have been a nice save.
I know.
Right?
Boost dealer. Nice save. Dang, I'm not that mechanical. Oh my gosh, bro, win. No. Oh my gosh, we almost got in the rule one. Damn.
What a save. No. Alright, full score. First. Oh,
Yeah, that was my first goal. 2 goals in total. Up down.
that him?
Bad kick up.
Please tell me that's
No.
him. Oh my god.
Oh damn it. No, 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 no. No, I fumbled. That's too slow.
Power shot. Dang it.
What a pass. Oh my gosh. Why did I not move? Why did I not? What? Why did I not go forward?
I'm Brazilian you on your own channel.
Shut up.
Ah,
There you
dang
go. You're not
it.
Brazilian. You're not Brazilian. You're not Brazilian. What? No! I played myself. I should have never stopped there. I mean, I should have never. Okay, what am I saying?
I missed.
Not in.
Oh my
Yeah, you
god.
missed. We both missed.
Bro, you're cooking on saves.
I know, right?
Ah,
Oh, nice one. I have no boost. I have no boost.
wait.
You're about to 7-2 me, I swear. You're cooking to me in my own channel.
Zidane, please.
I cooked you, but then you cooked me. That's what happened.
You literally cooked me.
Ah, that would have been nice right there. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, you just, yeah, you definitely, yeah, I called it. You're 7-2ing me.
Wait, do we go to twos? Yeah.
Yeah, we got to choose.
Total.
Stronger. Do. Music of fire, bro.
But we are sponsored by. Uh,
We're not sponsored by anyone. What are you talking about?
we're sponsored from nothing. Yep.
We're sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends.
Get out.
Shoo.
No.
Ah!
No.
I was close. I was close. Close one. So,
No, it's still in. Is it?
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I cooked.
You
I
whiffed.
cooked.
Yeah, you whiffed.
I did it. What the heck was that? Okay,
Goal.
I save. I'll clear it.
Nice.
Oh, what a shot.
That in?
What a shot.
Nah, you missed and then he put it back in. Pause.
Yeah. Yo. What a pass.
Go. Alright, our name is gonna be
Taco Munchers.
long time.
Wait. What's her name?
Alright, our name is gonna be a long time ago.
A long time ago.
And we're
Okay.
gonna
That
be yellow.
yellow. Bet. Actually, do black. Do black.
Black? No way.
What?
This game hates me. Never mind.
You got the last second goal.
Okay, so technically I won that.
Technically, I won that. What do you mean?
I can't. Alright, so they're duos. They've won a tournament together, so we did.
You were cooked. That's the first thing you say. I'm going for a fake.
Alright, is he gonna own goal?
Yeah, you got that. That in
No,
barely.
that's too low. Something so low. Perfect pass.
He he beat me to it.
Drops it.
I know. Oh, you cooked that. No, you don't. Never mind.
Bobby, I had that.
I know. I'm sorry. They're gonna lose this tournament because of me.
He bumped him. Nice fake. To be.
Creeping up. He faked it.
I'm going for mid.
Yeah, you got that. Never
This is a
mind.
red game. Psycho? W demo.
Actually, yeah, that was a W demo. I took my sweet time right there. I took my sweet time.
I think they're getting mad, bro. Oh my gosh, he doesn't let me go. W save. No. Wow.
Just hit that ground. GG.
Nah. I can tell they're mad, bro.
Because you made them mad. You me. Of course they would be
Not my
mad.
problem.
Man, not my problem is crazy. I made that.
I don't remember this.
Never mind. Hit that out. No! Yeah, we're
Dude,
cooked.
I didn't even. Yeah, just working.
I'm about to rage over Rocket League, I swear.